my 5th week of taking a video request from you guys, and one of you suggested that I survive on 500 rupees for a day. Let us see what and all I can eat for 500 rupees today. When I was in college, I used to survive one whole week with 500 rupees. So I know for a fact that surviving one day with 500 rupees is actually a very good amount. It's a very decent amount, honestly, in my opinion. So I'm extremely excited for today's challenge, and I already know the places that I'm going to go to today, and I'm gonna spend this. Actually, today's outfit is also inspired by my college life. I used to dress up like this in college, so that is why I'm trying to get into the vibe of my college life. So without further ado, let's get into today's video. So guys, my breakfast for the day is that coconut water over there. But you know what? There was a time, once upon a time, we used to get coconut for like 20 rupees, 30 rupees. Let's see how much they charge today. Since I am on a budget, let's see. 60 rupees, oh my god. I would rate this 5 on 10. Because it's not sweet. It's not cheap. But it is still very healthy and hydrating, so yeah. After spending 60 bucks on the coconut water, oh my god. I'm actually feeling horrible about the fact that we spent 60 bucks. That's like money just gone on breakfast. Anyways, we're here for lunch now, and we are at my favorite roll place. It's this Kolkata Kati roll place. You guys might have heard of it. I used to come here after college almost every single day for lunch or something. So let's go have a roll. Bro, they increased the price. It used to be 60 rupees and now they've made it 80. Everything they've increased. But anyways, 80 is still fine, I guess. $120. The way I'm doing this. So for my lunch today, I'm having this chicken roll, and I'm extremely excited to do a taste test because I used to have this when I was in college. Let's see if the taste is still the same. I would rate this roll a 10 on 10. It's so good. The roti is super crunchy and the chicken is super masaledar. I'm here with Aryan. He's working. Show your hand at least. He's here. Did you see how I was about to bite you? Anyways, I told him about my video about the whole living on 500. Oh, if only I had 500k. But anyways, I was telling him about my video idea of spending less than 500 rupees in a day. I have the money in my wallet. Right.
What are you doing? That is all you have.
Aryan is like, is that all you have? Wait, yeah, bro. That's all I have. Sorry, I'm not rich like you.
No, that's only for today.
Okay, 300, 2, 4, 6. Okay, we have 360 rupees right now. We spent the previous money on a coconut and a roll. Now with the rest of the money, let's see what we can get. When Aryan and we split the bill every time we go out to eat, okay?
Cheap, yeah.
So when you split the bill, it becomes like cheap. So usually, okay, so there's this place where we usually go to eat and the bill comes up to like 400. So today, obviously, as usual, I'm going to split the bill and I'll be paying 200, right? So I'm going to be using the 200 from this. And then with the rest of the money, I'm planning to eat some nice chaat. Is there a Bangarpet chaat anywhere here?
But I don't think it'll be open right now.
What time does it open?
4:35.
You're free that time.
I am not. I don't think so today. Today it's not possible.
Please.
Today it's not possible.
Please, Bob. Please.
That was very bad, that place.
Which place are you talking about?
Remember we went in Lightfield once, Bangarpet Charts.
There's this place called Bangarpet Chaats near my house, okay? And you get the most yummiest pani puri ever over there. So I'm gonna go there for chaat today. Aryan will not be joining us, but I will be going with him just to eat the food that I was just talking to you guys about. So yeah, without further ado, let's go to that restaurant. We've reached, guys. Bro, say something interesting for my video.
What do you want?
Like, do something so that I can put it as a clickbait title or something. Like,
Find parking.
boyfriend proposes me.
Bro, why this fellow is behind?
I told you guys it's very reasonable over here. We've ordered for ghee rice and grilled chicken. Ghee rice is 92 and grilled chicken is? My camera's placed over there, like very far away from us. And I feel like they're attending more to us because I feel like they think we are food vloggers. And they're trying to give us like good service so that we promote them. That is what I feel because today the server is talking to us more than usual. You don't feel that? People keep looking at my camera like, why is she filming this? Our grilled chicken is here and it is nice and spicy. What would you rate the grilled chicken?
9. 9 out of 10.
Why 9?
See, for it to be 10, there are some times where it's 9. I never give 10 to anything. So 9. It's actually very tasty. Even though I've not had it right now.
I would give it a 9 as well
I would give the only
because it's healthy and it's reasonable. And the ghee rice is a 10 on 10.
Oh, the ghee rice is 11 on 10 because they give us with some red chutney, which is so good. It's the best that I've had.
Anyways, we're gonna enjoy the rest of the lunch now and I'll talk to you guys later. Bye. So the bill as usual has come to 420 and I'll be paying half of it, so it'll be 210.
Yeah.
Oh my god, do you want to do the honors of telling them what happened or should I?
You tell it.
Basically, I have come to this empire like 1,000 times with Aryan. We've come so many times for lunch. So every time we come here, like once we sit down and all that, we have to call the waiter at least 2-3 times for him to come and attend to us.
Today we didn't
to give us the menu. That also they take forever to give us the menu. Today they were treating us like royalty because they saw my camera. I walked in with the camera, I was setting up the camera and they assumed I was a food blogger. And you know how food bloggers are, right? They review a place, they recommend places to the audience and all of that. I'm obviously not a food blogger. I came here for my challenge, but they thought I was a food blogger. So they were giving us this extra special treatment throughout. When we were sitting, they asked, like they were giving us recommendations on what we can order, and then they were like, do you want anything more? And the waiter came up to me and asked me at least 5 times, do you want anything more that you want to order? And at the end, when we were about to pay the bill, the manager comes up and he asks me, ma'am, are you a food blogger? Because he saw my camera. And I'm like, is this why they were being so nice to us throughout? Because usually when we come here, they're not so nice to us. They first of all, waiter never comes to our table. They never come to our table only. When we call them like 1,000 times. And today there were 3 waiters at least roaming around our table, making sure we were comfortable. The bill came up to 420 and we always split the bill. So here is 210 for Aryan. Are you sure you don't want to come with us for chaat?
I can't come.
We are going to Bangarpet chaat now to spend the rest of my money.
How much money is left?
150.
Enough, that is for you to go. You can treat 2 people. Actually, dinner also.
Come now.
Oh, there's a car coming.
Come first.
Bye.
See you.
Bye.
I was about to go for a hug and come here.
Bye.
See you. See you. Take it.
Aryan won't be joining us for charts, but don't worry, I will still take you for Bangarpet charts. And that will finish my 150 rupees for the day. So I'm outside Bangarpet charts now. Let's go and eat something.